we're at 28 firstly, and oh my gosh, Justin JimLiElevators, I'm completely out of words. Look what I just found. Justin, you're not gonna believe this. A Montgomery square button. Oh my gosh, I'm so emotional right now. I'm so shaking, Hanny. I really am.
It's okay. These are really hard elevators to find.
Exactly, yeah. I'm like literally shaking right now. Oh my gosh. This is so thrilling.
Can we switch sides? I'm gonna go to 1 and Cathant. This almost reminds me of the Desert Sky Dillards because it has similar looking buttons.
Oh yeah, it does. What do you think of this, Hanny?
This is an amazing elevator.
I have not seen a Montgomery square button in so many years. I don't even know what was the last time I seen this.
I think a lot of department stores here used to have these, but they're gone now.
Listen, oh my gosh, look at this box literally coming off.
Oh, wow.
Right, there's your phone.
I'm stepping off here.
Amazing!
I'm stepping off here. Have
That was
fun.
wonderful.